Hello, beautiful and wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make melt in your mouth cookies. This cookie turned out so delicious, and I made all this cookie with only one cookie batter. It turned out so delicious. Involve your kids, your family into it, and trust me, at the end it's going to come out or turn out great. Just look at it. You will love this once you try it. Let's get started. In the big mixing bowl, add in your softened butter. Whisk it for about 3 minutes and add in the powdered sugar. Whisk it until well combined. So I did mine for about 5 minutes and then added in the white egg, vanilla extract. Already the powdered sugar that I used was vanilla extract in, so I didn't want to add in much vanilla extract. I then added in the rest of the ingredients, which is a pinch of salt and then the flour. So the flour, this is a large quantity of cookie batter. The flour, divide it into 3 equal parts or 4 equal parts and add it to it little at a time. Make sure you mix it well until all is combined. It should be well combined. This is what you're looking for. Soft cookie batter like this. I'll then keep it aside and divide it into 5 equal parts. Just like so. I'll keep it aside and move to the next step. For the next step, I'm going to do the Nutella cookie. So I added one of the butter in a big bowl, added in the Nutella, unsweetened cocoa powder and flour. I'll mix these ingredients together until well combined and then until it forms a dough and keep it aside. Before putting it in the fridge, I'll place it on my palm, flatten it a little bit more, wrap it with a cling film, put it or transfer it on my work surface, and then flatten it just like so and keep it in the fridge until it's ready to be used. For the next cookie that I'll be doing is the red velvet cookie. I then added in red food color, cocoa powder and flour. I'll mix these ingredients together until it forms a dough. I'll repeat the same process and then keep it in the fridge until it's also ready to be used. So this cookie batter can be done 3 days or 4 days before, even up to a week before using it or before making or doing your cookie. The next one is which is my favorite, is the ginger cookie. It turned out so delicious. I love this one. So I added ginger powder, cocoa powder, cinnamon powder and a pinch of nutmeg. This is my favorite and it turned out so delicious. They are all delicious, but I love this one more. I'll repeat the same process again and then put it in the fridge until it's ready to be used. The next cookie I'll be doing is the almond cookie. So I added in almond flour, almond extract and flour. I'll mix these ingredients together again until well combined until it has formed a dough, and this is my husband's favorite. He loves all, but he was liking this one the most. So I'll knead it until it forms a dough. Don't overwork it. Once it forms a dough, wrap it and put it in the fridge. I then placed it on my work surface, placed parchment paper on top, roll it to flatten it a little bit, and then I kept it in the fridge until it's ready to be used. Now let's move to the last cookie, which is the vanilla cookie. I added butter flavor, vanilla extract and flour. I'll then mix until well combined and then put it in the piping bag. So this cookie batter, you can make any cookie of your choice. You can make coconut cookie, peanut butter cookie, name it. Have fun with your kids, with your family in the kitchen. Finally, let's bake these bad boys. Before baking, make sure you line your baking tray with parchment paper. After, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface. Transfer the cookie batter on top. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on top and then roll it. The inches should be around 4 to 5 millimeters. When done rolling, use a cookie cutter to cut any shape of your choice. Any shape at all of your choice. So these are the shapes that I'm going in for. And then arrange it on your baking tray. This is very easy to make, and at the end, trust me, you will love it. So I use nozzles to take out some of the middle of some of the cookies and then bake them. Like I said, you can make any shape of your choice. Bake the cookies at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, not more than that, and make sure you preheat your oven before baking. 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and look at how they turn out. It turned out so delicious. It was beautiful. It was very beautiful. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Once it's done baking, leave them to cool and then decorate it. So I used royal icing for the red velvet cake. The royal icing is very simple making it. 1 egg white, 300 grams of powdered sugar, and then whip until everything has come together. So I use jam as well. Just place some in the middle of the cookie, add the next one on top, and you are good to go. It's very simple making this. And then what I'm doing now is I melted chocolate, added it to parchment paper, and then cut the mark and use it to design. So you can make any design of your choice. Just look at how beautiful it is. And there's it. It's very simple making this. When done, arrange it in your cookie box and you're good to go. Serve this for your guests, and trust me, they'll be in love with you. It's so saying that like it melts. This biscuit will melt in your mouth. It's delicious, and more especially for me, I enjoyed the ginger one. Oh, I love it. And my son was liking the vanilla one. It was very delicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, follow my page, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and stay blessed.